LineArt can be found in the SASSE Library under Line Work. We can drag and drop it into our scene. It will add a LineArt modifier that has a predefined palette, blur that will match the depth of field setting used on your camera. So in order to enable it, right now we should probably just disable this in an outline, click back on our LineArt, and then we just need to supply it the collection that the object we want is in. So we'll drop Suzanne in there, and now we should see, I believe from our camera view, yeah, there it is. The LineArt is now showing up. So sometimes I prefer geometry nodes based lines because they let me choose exactly where I want it. I can, have more options, or I feel I have more options in terms of profiling and getting things exactly the way I want. But sometimes you just want, LineArt to just grab the edges of something. You don't want to drag your simple outline onto every single object in the background. So LineArt is great for cases like that. And I believe we've got some built-in noise. It's probably turned all the way down, but we can randomize. There we go. Yeah. So we can also get that jittering effect with these lines as well.